It's time for the STEMMyFest Music Makers. Oran Etkin with stories, songs, and lots of instruments, and Ann Bocatto with stories, songs, and lots more instruments. Oran, a bearded white man with dark hair and wide brown eyes, sits on the floor. Ann, a woman with brown eyes and brown hair worn in a long braid, sits next to Oran. Sometimes Oran and Ann play musical instruments, stand up, and dance. Now join Oran and Ann as we find out and sing about how your body can be a cow or a bird.
Hey, Ann.
Hi, Oran.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm playing with the scarf. I'm pretending that it's a bird flying up in the sky.
Oh, cool. Sometimes Claire likes to pretend she's a bird.
Really?
Yeah, you want to hear my clarinet play like that?
Yeah.
Tweet, tweet.
Wow, she sounds just like a bird.
She does, doesn't she?
Yeah.
And she can be all kinds of other animals.
Ooh, can she be a cow?
I think so. What's a cow say?
Cows go moo.
Moo. Listen to the cow sound. Moo.
Oh, that's a great cow sound.
Yeah, well, are you ever going to see a cow flying up high in the sky saying tweet, 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 tweet like that?
No.
No, the cows live down low and they eat the grass. Can you eat the grass down low? So Clara, when she makes a cow sound, we call that a low sound. And we call this a high sound, right? I have an idea.
Oh.
Let's dance high and low.
Oh, okay.
We're going to do a bird and cow dance. So put your wings on or grab your scarves, and we're going to be birds. But when you hear the cow, we got to go down low and dance like a cow.
Okay, I'm ready.
Are we going to smell the cow?
No.
We're going to
listen.
We're going to listen till we hear the cow. So put your listening ears on and your flying wings. And here we go. Woo! I tried to trick you there.
You almost got me.
Yep. Yeah.
Wow. Well, I'm hearing Clara make all of these sounds, and I see here that she's got a little sister.
She does have a little sister. Who's this?
This is Su Ling, who's from Indonesia.
Yeah, let's look at this. Big Clara and little Suling. Should we see what sound Suling makes?
Yeah, let's hear it.
Let's see.
Wow. Well, she sounds just like a little bird, too.
She does, right? She sounds like a little bird. And I have a song from Indonesia. And this song can make all the birds come down and sit with us and play. So if you learn this song and go outside, maybe you can sing it and maybe the birds will hear it and come play with us.
Ooh.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
You ready? Let's start with our birds way up high in the sky. Up in the sky and way down on the ground. Sweet birds up high, I want you to fly down. Let's flap our wings. Flap your wings as you take flight. I'll play and sing all day and night. When you hear this sound, I want you to fly down. Shh. Wake up, birds! Up in the sky and way down on the ground. Sweet birds up high, I want you to fly down. Up flat your wings as you take flight. I'll play and sing all day and night. When you hear this sound, I want you to fly down. Shh. I think all the birds are falling asleep. Shh. Ooh, that was so much fun. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Do you want more music and fun with Oran? Visit www.timbalulu.com. MakerFest and STEMIFest 2021 are brought to you by UNC and the Frank Porter Graham Child Development Institute, the University of Denver Morgridge College of Education, the Marsico Institute for Early Learning, the U.S. Department of Education Office of Special Education Programs, Ideas That Work, and Bridge Multimedia.